Welcome back in our new After Effects tutorial. And watch full video, please like and share. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and also press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. First of all, we will create a composition not as usual. You give the name of your file. Then here I have taken the size of 1920 by 1080 pixels for 10 seconds. First of all, before importing the glass, we have made in Illustrator. We have to keep in mind that the glass and water layers are separate in Illustrator. Then importing the file will open a window like this. In this we have to choose the composition and the layer size below. Then we will go to that composition and bring both the layers to the composition. Then we will create shape. And we will apply wave rape effect in it. You can set recording, then we add keyframe into position to move from bottom to top. Then we'll set its wave. And then we will add keyframe in wave. You can set your recording wave moment and apply. Now you are watching, it doesn't look natural. Then we want to put our wave inside the glass, raising the water layer, mask it with a track mat with our wave layer, so that this wave will go inside the glass. Something a bit like this. Now to make it better, we will duplicate the wave layer and darken its color so that it looks natural. And we'll adjust the frame. And this water fill animation will become in the glass. I fasted the video for adjusting by keyframe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and also press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye friends.